Hello, welcome to the channel. Jamie here from JP Cars. Today you join me with my CL500 that I bought for £400. We've taken the wrap off and now we need to correct the paint because it's horrendous and I don't think it's savable. I'm not a professional, but I'm going to give it my best shot. As you might remember from the previous video, this car is absolutely knackered. Look at the paintwork coming down. Yeah, it's really, really bad. Look at this, it's so flat. There's also bits like this. I don't quite know what I'm going to do with this. How do I fix that? I just don't know. But the main thing is this. This needs to be painted. So my first port of call is the bonnet. I'm going to see if I can actually machine polish this and get it back to something like it. Oh, wow. Look at that already. Okay, so now that I know that it's savable, I'm going to start painting this car. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to try and get a general gist, a general idea, so that I can go forward with this car. Okay, I probably went a little bit heavy in certain areas. So what we're going to do is going to actually move on to the rest of the car while I wait for it to dry, because we could do a machine polishing in these areas. Can just about see that. Look, oh yeah, there you go. You can see the difference between the two. I'm just like, I reckon I can probably get that up to a certain degree now after having done that bit on the bonnet. Use my time wisely and get some of these bits done while I'm waiting, because some of it doesn't need paint necessarily, or well, you can see it's had paint before. It doesn't matter, it's a cheap car. I just want to get it looking reasonably okay. Okay, I'm going to be the first to admit it. The bonnet looks I don't know what it is. I don't know if I've just not put enough lacquer on it. I'm going to get the car outside and then we'll see what the car looks like. It's going to look crap. I understand that. I want to get it out on the road now. Is there any life in it at all? There is some life. But I do have a jump pack. There we go. Right, let's get the car out for a drive. Yeah, the telltale is double clicking. It says turn signal reflector. You got the one in there? Got the one there, look. And then you've got the one here. So I don't quite know why it's doing that. Look at this, the CL500 on the road. It's got a definitely cool looking stance, isn't it? Just look at that. That is a cool looking car, even with the grille missing. I will obviously put the grille back on, but I just brought it out here just to take for a little run, see what it's all about. It's a pretty shaggy looking thing, to be fair, but it doesn't really matter as long as I get an MOT on it. That's all that matters really, to be honest. I'm not worried about it, get an MOT on it as long as it's drivable and go from there. If I go Yeah, look at that. That's gone up. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? That is cool. And I've seen you can put these different things on them, these like link things, and it would drop the car to literally on top of the tyre, and that would look really cool. It would look like it's kind of like on air in a way. Yeah, it's not amazing. To be honest, that bonnet's pretty horrendous, but do you know what? It ties it in a bit better than what the white did on it when it was just primed, so it's not horrendous. So turn signal, reflector, check lamp and ABS light. I wonder what the ABS light is. Let's just do a general code read. It might have a load come up. Don't let it alarm you simply because the car has not been driven. I can guarantee it's going to come up with loads of stuff. I'm going to say 22. 6 faults with the airbags. That is not good. 13. Oh my God. That's 19. Okay, yeah. I bet you thought that when I said 22 I was being ridiculous, but I'm actually not. 53, 54, 55. If all of these were genuine codes, that would be the end of my CL. Let's quick erase. You're supposed to do this when the car is off, but I'm not going to do that because my car might not start again. Okay, so it's gone from 65 odd down to 4. Ooh, steering fault. Steering angle sensor has not been initialized. Isn't that the kind of thing where you just turn the wheel all the way, one way, and you turn it all the way back, and then you do it again? No, is the answer, by the way. Oh. ABS lights come off. Oh, see, it's just come back on. No fault codes detected, but it is still there. Oh, there you go. Shook the wheel. Oh, no. Yeah, it won't start. I don't think the battery's dead, though. Start then. Okay, so I'm in the CL500 now, and yeah, for 400 quid, I can't complain too much, but there are a couple of bits on the dash that I need to have a look into. It says here that the turn signal reflector check lamp light is on, and if I indicate left, it also says left. So I don't quite know what's going on there. The lights are flashing on the mirrors, at the front, at the back, so I don't quite know why it's saying to check the lamp, because the lamp is fine. So I'm going down to the MOT station to ask them if it will be a fail when it comes to the MOT. I haven't booked in the MOT yet, but the MOT runs out in a few days' time, so I was going to go down there, take the car and just say, what do you think? Do you think that that will be okay? I also want to ask them whether the ABS light will be okay, because it's on and then you move the steering wheel side to side a couple of times and it switches off. So it's just little things like that. I'd rather know before booking it in and then it failing and then me not be able to drive back to the unit to do the work. I'd rather go down now, ask them those questions and say, is that going to pass, with those couple of little niggly issues that aren't actual issues. It's more just kind of the car going, I'm being used. I haven't had any leaks from the steering or anything like that, and I've checked the fluid. There's definitely fluid in there, so I don't quite know why the old owner was told that he needed to have a load of this work done, because I've not actually seen anything to really warrant that as of yet. So I have had it up on the lift, I have had a look around underneath it, and it doesn't seem too bad. So I don't quite know what he was told, why he was told that. So the MOT garage has booked me in for Friday, and they've said that the issue with the check lamp should be fine because the lamps work. I think that's kind of the thing that we were getting at, and the ABS, he said, as long as it's not on for the test, it's not an issue. So he said by the time he's driven it in, as long as it has switched off like I said it will, from turning the steering wheel, it should be fine. So I shouldn't have any issues with that. So hopefully we should have an MOT on Friday. I did say to him, if it does fail, can I still drive the car back to my unit, because it does have an extra day MOT, because it runs out on Saturday and he's going to be doing it on Friday. And he said as long as there's nothing dangerous with the car, they can't stop you from driving it away, and it's got one more day MOT on anyway at that point, so I don't think that it should be an issue. So there we have it, guys. The CL500 is out and about on the road. £400, and I'm putting it in for an MOT. Let's just hope, fingers crossed, that is going to work. I can't see why it wouldn't work. Like, it should be fine, as long as it goes through the MOT all right. We'll have a 12-month MOT on the Mercedes, and for 400 quid you cannot complain about that. Haven't actually put any work into it apart from taking the wrap off and the plasti dip. And on that note, I shall say goodbye. Thank you very much. Please wish wish me some luck, because I need those fingers crossed for the MOT on Friday. I should let you know how it gets on. Please do subscribe so you can keep up to date with that and you can see exactly what's going on with this Mercedes. The £400 Mercedes, you know, this could have been a car that you could have bought and you could have enjoyed, hopefully, for 12 months, we shall see on Friday. Please do like the video, pushes it up in the algorithm, more people can see it, and then we can do more stuff with the channel. Please do comment below, let me know what you think. Do you think that the Mercedes will pass or will it fail? I really don't know. I'm in one of those, usually you get an idea whether it's going to pass or fail on a car, but I've got no idea what's going to happen, so I'm just kind of going, it is what it is. So we shall see soon. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.